Alright everyone, welcome back to another short, simple and sweet lecture of Salesforce Bytes, and in this video we'll talk about something beautiful, Flow Trigger Explorer, right? Something new that Salesforce has created for us, and it's very handy and it's very dynamic, and it really helps you to sort your head around order of execution of flows and what should come after which particular automation, right? So for example, I go to accounts and let's say I want to create a flow, right? I want to write a flow, a screen flow, a record triggered, not a screen flow, rather some record triggered or an auto launched flow. So if I go to flows and let's see if I have any flow here. I have some of them, right? And do I have any of them? I believe I have something on the update organization. I have something on the account object, right? Let's click on new flow button here, right? So I can create flows here, right? But before creating a flow, let's say I want to understand that, these are all the flows that I have for this object right now, for account object, and I want to see where I want to place my next flow, in what scenario, in what context, before update, after update, before insert, after insert, before delete, what context should I put my flow in? How do I figure that out? So in order to do that, you do not have to just simply create a flow by clicking on the new button here. What you can do is you can open the Flow Trigger Explorer. And this explorer is actually an explorer, and it opens the account record by default, but all the objects are available here. And what we can do is we can switch any object and then the context, whether it is created, updated or deleted. And as soon as you do that, you see the list of flows that are already active and under what situation and what context, right? As we see, when an account record is, let's say, deleted, do we have any flows? We do not have anything, right? And if it is updated, do we have anything? Yes, we have a flow. And what is that flow? That flow is scheduled to run before save, and that flow is basically nothing but update organization. Now, if I have to create something on an account update, I have to create a flow, and in that case I want to update the related contact records. Where do I put it? I put it under when an account record is created, and I create a new flow here because I have to update some related records. But what if I wanted to do some field updates on the account object itself? It could be done before, so I could create a new flow here and I could rearrange them, right? I could do that. And if I have to actually run something asynchronously out of my current transaction, my synchronous transaction, I can create a new flow here that will automatically create a flow with an asynchronous path. How beautiful is that, right? So from here onwards, once you have mastered flow, you don't have to worry about where you want to, put your flow. And if you take a look at our previous screen, and this is how the flow list looks like, and if you have 50 more flows for all your automation requirements, how do you understand what goes where? That's where this explorer, which is really an explorer, comes in very handy, and it helps you understand what events or what updates or what related updates are happening for every object on every event, on every context, right? So use this Flow Trigger Explorer to explore flows, to explore what all you can do with flows. And yes, I know you guys are waiting for flow tutorials a lot, and a curriculum is in place and it's currently in my pipeline. So do not worry about that. That announcement will be made soon. But for now, I just wanted to showcase you this particular Flow Trigger Explorer, another beautiful tool by Salesforce. So that's all for this video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Till then, happy learning. Bye.